Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bank of America mobile banking alerts, quick setup step by step clearly. Open the Bank of America mobile app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. After logging in, navigate to the home screen. Look for the menu icon typically located in the top left corner. Tap on the menu icon to reveal additional options. Scroll down until you find the Settings option. Select Settings to access your account preferences. In the Settings menu, locate the Alerts section. Tap on Alerts to view your notification options. Here, you will see various alert categories such as account activity, transactions, and security. Choose the categories you wish to receive alerts for. For each category, toggle the switch to turn on alerts. Customize the alert types according to your preferences, such as text or email notifications. Once you've made your selections, review your changes. If everything looks good, tap on Save to apply the settings. You should receive a confirmation that your alerts have been activated. Now, exit the Settings menu to return to the home screen. Your Bank of America mobile banking alerts are now set up and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.